Hello everyone, welcome back. iOS 15.7.8 is out now. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the battery draining issue in iOS 15.7.8. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, launch settings. Here we have to tap on screen time and tap content and privacy restrictions. Now turn off content and privacy restrictions. Then go back to settings and tap on privacy. Now tap tracking, turn off tracking. Go back to privacy, location services, and also turn off the location services. Back to settings, tap on battery, enable low power mode. Go back to settings, then tap notification and check which app you will get a lot of notification. Tap on that app and turn off notification to save the battery. Here we will do one more thing. If your iPhone is not connected with any other device through Bluetooth, then turn off Bluetooth. And also, if you're not using mobile or cellular data, turn off your internet as well. Then go back to Journal and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Then optionally check software update. If you have iOS update, then update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Now go back to settings and tap on battery. Here we have to tap on battery health. If your battery health iPhone shows service, it means your battery health is not good, and immediately replace your battery from authorized Apple dealer. In the end, what we have to do, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.